Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the tracks available locally. Apple Music streaming cannot be read directly by Serato. Open the Music app, enable Sync Library, and download the songs you need. Once done, find the actual audio files in your music/media folder or use Show in Finder to reveal them. You must convert any AAC/iTunes DRM-protected files to a compatible local format. This is why downloading and confirming file access matters before you import into Serato. Now import the local files into Serato DJ Pro. You can drag folders or individual tracks from Finder into the Files panel or directly into a crate. Serato will analyze them. Be patient while it reads BPM and waveforms. If a song shows incorrect metadata, update it in the Music app, then re-import or right-click to force reanalyze inside Serato. Make sure files are standard AAC or MP3 and not DRM locked. Otherwise, Serato won't play them. Finish by building crates, setting cue points, and adjusting gain so everything mixes cleanly. Test playback through your chosen audio interface. If you hear latency, tweak the buffer size in Serato's audio settings. If a track refuses to play, make sure the file isn't DRM protected, re-download the song as offline, or convert it to MP3/WAV. One key troubleshooting tip: check file permissions in Finder, grant Serato read access, and restart the app if analysis or playback fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.